bits to see what's around, you know what I mean? See if there's some projects coming up. Yeah, they're lovely. They do the job. Take care, all the best. See ya. What, bud?
How you doing, bro?
Yeah, not bad.
Nice
not bad.
car, nice.
I will be, but a bit later on. I'll pop out for a few hours. I can give you a call when I'm heading back, if that's alright. Yeah, no worries at all. Top man. Thanks, pal. Bye, mate.
What's something like this go, bro?
30 grand.
Oh, no, yeah, good play.
Yeah, it's labour of love. I've spent a few years doing
Right,
it.
that's the thing, yeah.
It's valued a bit more than that, but I want someone that's going to have it, that's going to use it and take the shows. Otherwise, you lose them, don't you? And disappear behind the glass box.
And it's the 2000.
I've done a photo album from when I built it, so it's literally from when I bought it. All the floors, well, we cut the floors out. So it had little holes in it, so we just took them out, took the wings out. Spit, new boot floor, all the way through, and goes off to the paint shop, and then from there you can see the paintwork being done. So all these sides all sprayed. It's
all going on my YouTube channel.
That's
so
fun. All underneath.
Look at that, guys.
It goes all the way through.
There you go.
So that's how you prove you do it properly.
Lovely.
Yeah, it literally takes it right the way back to when decals go on.
Awesome. There you go, guys. Cars for sale. Thank you so much.
No problem at all.